I want to say he has good intentions, but it's like, how good could your intentions be if you're trying to break up a marriage or get somebody to like cheat on their husband with you? I am not the type of girl you want to mess with. Again today, which I think is pretty rare because I've given up vlogging for quite some time, but honestly I've just been getting back into the mood of the swing of things. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me this weekend. Right now I'm totally just cleaning my house. I tried to get rid of all the dust, all the debris, whatever. I burn my cardboard and I hang out with my dogs. I'm about to snack. My husband and I have to go shopping this weekend, so I think I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. And the weave, of course, look at her. She's long and she's strong and she's ready to take on the world. But like, I don't know about your husbands. I'm just gonna real talk with you guys for a second. My husband's obsessed with leaf blowers. Like he bought 2 leaf blowers and he leaf blows all day long, all the time. Like he's been out there for an hour. He comes home from work, says, I'm gonna go blow some leaves. Which is like, okay, it's like a stress reliever, but like, I'm hungry and he's been out there for over an hour blowing leaves. So. What are you doing? Babe, you've been out here for like over an hour. Do you want to come in and Okay. Feel good? Are you happy it's warmer outside? He has been impossible. Impossible. Here he comes. Goose, come here. Oh God, he's gonna fight me. This is a male, Saxy. He literally tries to attack, but you don't feel anything. This one though, this little troublemaker. Oh! Okay, it's like that. I am in heaven right now because let me just take you guys. Oh wow, so overexposed. I have my silk twill, the Christian Dior. I love this pattern. I'm obsessed. My tote looks like this. I have it in navy blue, but I love just wrapping this around my neck because it's stunning, even just the way it lays. And then of course I have my favorite Dior Montaigne belts that I'm obsessed with, and then my can't live without flats. Of course, the long flowing hair extensions. And guys, guess what? That's the uniform of a queen. I'm in Allentown. How pretty are these lights? Ooh, there's a place called the Le Cream. I want to go there because it looks like there's creams. Wherever there's nice creams, that is where I go. Mark's paying the meter. Want to bring you in really quick on my beauty room. Here's my setup. I'm getting ready for GoGo Skincare. That is just like my display back there. I got that from, I think I have that in a vlog when I bought that. So I'm just trying to get my stuff together. God, just like all these Dior and Chanel boxes, like I have to recycle them or something. Just kidding. Just like I stepped over to Target because I just like this effortless look Studio McGee has going on with like their natural woods, because I've been wanting this stuff for a long time. So I think I'm definitely gonna get this. I'm gonna fill it with fruit. It can honestly go anywhere in my house. This I'm going to put a candle on top of that I got from Pottery Barn. This is gorge, and I'm gonna use this all summer. I love the wood handle, and it's totally like usable all the time. And then I just got some greenery, and I'm debating if I should get this pot. It kind of goes with the vibe. I think I'm just gonna get it. I think I'm for sure just gonna get it. Okay, that's what I'm getting. I'm gonna go check out. So much cute stuff here. I love it. I'm just gonna start buying it all because I really, really like the vibe. I am not the type of girl you want to mess with. Okay guys, so I wanted to circle back. I'm gonna finish out this vlog by telling you guys of I don't know what you want to call them, when fuckboys slide into your DMs and you're just kind of like eye roll and like you just keep it moving like I do, but some really go out of their way to like be inappropriate even after you tell them that you're in a relationship. Like, I'm married. So you know what? I was just gonna share this with you guys because I figured, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't mess with a content creator, especially like people like me who are just like not afraid to like put people on blast and bear all. Like, I'm sure this guy, I want to say he has good intentions, but it's like, how good could your intentions be if you're trying to break up a marriage or get somebody to like cheat on their husband with you? Do you see what I'm saying? When we're talking about marriage and we're talking about breaking vows, that's a whole different ballgame. That's just, you just don't do that. You just don't do that. When I get DMs from subscribers or followers or something like that, I do try to answer you because like, right now I could manage answering everybody and I love to connect with my subscribers, so I'm always gonna answer you. Does that mean I'm flirting with you? No, but I've always been that type of person to like respond to everybody, even like when I wasn't a content creator and like random people would text me. Like, I'm always going to be like, hey, how are you? I'm good. Da, da. But that doesn't mean that, like, don't take my kindness for flirting. And I feel like a lot of men do that to women, period, where it's like, we're just being nice to you. And like, you're taking that as like, oh, they secretly like me. And it's like, actually, no, like, I just don't mind chatting with people. Like, I'm open to it. But then it's like, things get weird. So at first they like message me and they're like, they like comment on one of my pictures and they're like, those Chanel pumps with like a heart smiley face. So I was like, oh yes. And this is a male. And I was like, I'm obsessed. And then he started talking like, I don't mind Jimmy's or Louboutins. However, Chanel pumps are my all-time favorite shoe on a lady. I feel they're sophisticated yet sexy. So he starts talking about his outfits and everything like that. And I'm like, okay, like maybe this guy is into fashion. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. I start picking up on weird things. He's like, my smoking slippers or your sexy little pumps with a winky face. Oh my, I thought my accent was hot, but yours smashed it. Are you from the South? No, no. I don't know where I'm from, actually. I don't know if I'm from Mars. I don't even know where I come from, to be honest with you guys, because I'm a literal hybrid all the way around the board. Okay? I'm from Pennsylvania, and I live in the country, but I feel like my soul is in like LA. I don't know. You are cute and blonde, and then boosh, little firecracker mode was engaged. Wait, can I say cute? So, my God. You know what? Men have always told me, like my entire life, that I'm either scary, intimidating, or I'm a firecracker. Like, I just feel like people, when they see women look a certain way, like we're supposed to like have this like cutesy little like vibe about us, and like I do, but at the same time it's like, yeah, like I'm more than a firecracker, baby. I am like a full-on firework display. I'm actually the grand finale. So in America, when we celebrate the 4th of July, we blow off fireworks, and there's always a grand finale after it where it's like all these fireworks go off and it's insane and it's beautiful and whatever. I personally am that grand finale. But then this is where I was getting like, this is where I really started getting irritated. He's like, are you in the skincare beauty industry? Yes. I see the Chanel pumps. He loves these Chanel pumps. And instantly thought, CEO, who wears her CC pumps, especially when firing people? So to me, that, I don't like that. I was like, I'm a beauty and fashion content creator. I'm CEO of my own life. Because I'm CEO of the world, baby. If you want to come into my world. Okay, are these two arrogant looking or a hot? And he starts sending me pictures of his outfits. So I'm like, people do that. People will send me like outfit photos and they want me to say which one's my favorite or even when they're shopping. So like, this isn't totally abnormal for me. So I'm still talking. I was like, they look good. I always like more of an outgoing sense of fashion, you know, whatever. And then he's like, just good? You are quite a guarded individual, aren't you? Don't feel you've got to talk. Absolutely no pressure. I was like, I mean, they're fire. Like, I'm fairly new to the gram, so I'm unaware if shoe combos are okay. And I was like, whatever. Okay, this poor guy. Like, maybe he's just like dorky and he's just like sliding in a girl's DMs. Like, I'm not like again, I'm not mean. I'm not gonna be like, F you, don't talk to me right off the bat. He don't know. He's like talking about he's telling me he's a CEO and he's gonna go fire people. So I was like, and he's like sending me outfits that he wants to go fire people in. So whatever. So then he wrote, sexy enough. So you could be gay, like you could be a fabulous gay queen and who's just like sexy enough, like, you know, and at that point I'm gonna cheer you on. I was like, so, but then I got offended because I was like, this guy is kind of a dick, like you're going to, so I wrote sexy to fire people? I think it looks nice. I'm not, why would you want to look sexy to go fire somebody and ruin somebody's livelihood? Like to me, that was just not a good look. So then he's like, leather trousers and Chanel pumps would be perfect for it, I feel. I wrote, wear the outfit, looks great, because now I'm just getting annoyed. He wrote, I am, why are you avoiding the question? I was like, I'm out. I don't know you really, and I'm married, so it's hard for me to say sexy, because he kept, throughout the whole conversation, was just kept trying to get me to be like, you're sexy. I'm not calling you sexy. That's not happening. That's not, why? So like a couple years down the road, you'll be like, you know, this person said I was sexy, and really I'm just trying to get you to shut the F up. So I was just like, you know, I just laid it down on him. I was like, no, like I'm married, so it's hard for me to call you sexy. I'm kidding. I just wanted to hear you'd go for a pair of Chanel's to fire someone in, as I love the concept. Oh goodness, no wonder you didn't say sexy. I didn't know that. This conversation shall have to remain confidential. I wrote, yes, I think Chanel pumps are amazing no matter what you do. I feel insensitive to say I would wear Chanel to fire someone as someone is losing their job. It makes me sad because it's the truth. Why would I want to wear like a full Chanel suit to go fire people? That's disgusting and insensitive. So whatever. So then he's like, I've just always thought a blonde in just a silk robe and quilted Chanel pumps fresh from the shower would be hot. So you're naturally, when I see you in your pumps, I was like, hi. So now he's just flirting with me, whatever. I was like, yeah, it's fabulous. But then he's like, I did actually mean just a silk robe and Chanel pumps, however. And then he's giving me like that, like he's giving me that gross little smiley face with like the drool coming out and then like a heart. I was like, I do have to go though. I'm going to a restaurant. Like, shut the fuck up. I go, have a nice day. He goes, damn, Morgan, shame. Last question in your own time. Chanel's in the bedroom? I didn't write back to that. I'm not entertaining that. Then I woke up again to this morning and he's sending me pictures of Chanel flats. So I was like, they're nice. He goes, how are you, Morgan? Oh, I know, right? And I think they're alligator. I don't know why, but I found these concept of gator CC pumps really quite savage, but quite hot, didn't you? So I wrote, I'm doing okay. It's almost a little naughty, isn't it? Ruthless pumps. I go, have to go, talk to you later. And he's like, we'll have a proper conversation at some stage. A proper conversation is never gonna happen with me and you, bro, because I'm about to block your ass. Well, you're talking to the queen. No, you can't handle this. You can't handle this, and you can't handle taking me away from my husband, because if you take me out of any situation I'm gonna cut you. I'm gonna cut you. And I don't need a man. I'll buy my own Chanel. I don't need anybody buying me anything, telling me what I should wear in the bedroom. Guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope it was fun for you, and I hope you guys are just staying away from all the creepy fuckboys in your DMs. I love you. Stay chic, stay fabulous, obviously stay glowing. Bye.